Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Volkswagen Golf 5 1.9 TDI. The AC compressor on this car is located on the front side of the engine. It's located right there. In order to get to it, we're going to have to remove it from the top and from the bottom. So first we're going to remove the engine under tray. Here from the bottom we have a better view of the AC compressor. The AC compressor is held by 3 bolts that we need to remove. Also this electrical connector as well, the 2 AC lines on top, and also the serpentine belt. That's the serpentine belt right there. We're going to remove the serpentine belt from the top. I'll show you where the tensioner for the serpentine belt is. It's right there. We need a ratchet size 16 to turn clockwise the tensioner, but in order to get better access for it, we're going to remove this the bolts for this air intake pipe, and also we're going to remove the 2 clamps for their intake hose. This way it will give us better access for the tensioner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We're also going to remove the fuel filter housing from its place without disconnecting any hoses. There are 3 bolts holding the fuel filter housing. We're going to remove them and put the fuel filter housing to the side. And now we have access to the tensioner. That's the tensioner right there. Like I said, we need a ratchet size 16 to turn the tensioner clockwise. And we're also going to get a pin and put it through the hole in the tensioner. This way this pin will hold the tensioner in one place so that we can remove the belt. Now I've turned the tensioner clockwise and put the pin in. I'll show you a better view of how I put it in so that you know exactly what I'm talking about. And now the belt is loose. Here you can see the pin went through this side of the tensioner onto the tensioner support, and now we can see that the belt is loose and we can remove the belt. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the two AC lines onto the compressor. Now that we've removed the bolts, we're going to pull out the two AC lines from the compressor. Next, we're going to remove the top bolt for the AC compressor, which is right there. We're going to remove it from the top. Next, we'll go underneath the car and remove this electrical connector for the AC compressor and also the two bolts holding it. That's one bolt and the other bolt is right there. And that's the two bolts holding the compressor removed. Next we're going to take out the compressor. That's the compressor out. Next, we're going to remove the O-rings for the two AC lines and clean the place. And we're going to replace the O-rings with new ones, and make sure you lubricate them before putting them on the AC compressor. And now we're going to put on the new AC compressor. Assembling it is in the exact reverse way as disassembling it. We're going to put on the 3 bolts holding the compressor, then we're going to put on the AC lines and the serpentine belt, and then we can fill the compressor, the AC system with Freon. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much.